If you are embarking on a period of change in your life or new beginnings, Chrysocolla is the crystal for you. You can use the palm stones in meditation to encourage clarity of thought. Chrysocolla is an amazing stone to wear in jewelry form, especially as a pendant. Keeping Chrysocolla near your throat is known to be the most effective way to utilize this stone's energy for loving communication. Carry Chrysocolla in a tumbled stone form when you're on the go to help you feel its calm, peaceful energy. You can place it in your pocket or your purse or sometimes even in your bra. In addition to wearing or carrying Chrysocolla, it can also be placed in your home where the center of communication and interaction between family members happens the most. It will aid in opening loving communication and preventing the conversation from becoming misconstrued or escalating into any angry exchange. To cleanse, it is safe to briefly rinse your piece of Chrysocolla in water. You can also use your preferred method of smoke cleansing, soil from the earth, sound cleansing, or you can even place it under the full moon.